the two most powerful empires before the rising of Islam religion in the world. It's mean that I am talking about before 630. There was two most powerful empire who were ruling mostly on the world in Europe and Western Asia and some part of Africa. They were either Romans or Iranis. Either Romans or Iranis. So they were most powerful at that time. Uh, the two most powerful empire was before origin of Islam was Roman and Iran. The Romans and Iranis were neighborhood separated by narrow strips of the land run along the river Euphrates river. Euphrates river. So their parts were divided by the river that was known as Euphrates river. So Roman culture and kingdom with Irani culture and kingdom was divided by the river which was Euphrates river. एक तरह की बाउंड्री वॉल जो कि रिवर कर रही थी. They were but they were rivals and fought against each other for much more of their histories. But actually what happened, they have enmity and they were rival to each other. They always clashed with each other as a rival from a big history. So if we study about the Roman Empire, the Roman Empire stretched from Spain in Europe to Syria in the east along the Mediterranean Sea into African desert. So European Empire was expanded to from Spain in Europe to Syria in east. If you going to east, it was expanded to Syria, and if you are going to south, then it was expanded to Mediterranean Sea and in Africa desert, Sahara, which is known as now Sahara desert. And if we talk about the Iranian Empire, Iranian controlled the entire area of the south of Caspian Sea, eastern Arabia and large part of Afghanistan. So from Afghanistan to Arab, the culture of Iranians were spread at that time. The phases of Roman Empire. Now we are discussing about the phases of the Roman Empire. Roman Empire, if we discuss about the Roman Empire, then there were three systems of the Roman Empire were telling that Roman monarchy, Roman republic and Roman Empire. So if we are discuss about the Roman monarchy system, that was established between 753 BCE to 509 BCE, and Roman Republic, which was timing was 506 BCE to 27 BCE. And if we discuss about the Roman Empire, it was happened in 27 BCE to 7 AD. So early Roman Empire and late Roman Empire, there are two classification. The early Roman Empire timing was 27 BCE to 13 AD, and late Roman Empire the timing was 480 to 700 AD. In between, there was also a crisis happened in the Roman Empire, that is known as 300, which happened between 300 to 400 years.